Okay, here's number 4. It says, what is the effect on the graph of the function y equals 3x squared plus 4 when it is changed to y equals negative 3x squared minus 4? And see if I can get a better focus on this thing. It's been giving me trouble with the focus, but I have the answer right there. And a lot of people, so the first thing I wanted to say is, what you could do is just strictly look at what did you do to this, and I noticed I could factor out a negative. So it looks like the original function with a negative, and that means reflect over the x-axis. And a lot of people said that, so they got a point. Then a lot of people mistakenly said go down 8 units. But that 8 unit, and so if I look at the graph here, here's a graph of that situation. Let me slide it over just a little bit so you can see it. Okay? 3x squared plus 4, negative 3x squared minus 4. If you go to the graph, you can see, just a little bit more light here, that the vertex does go down 8 units. But if you look at a point like, say, over here, it's not every point goes down 8 units. This point down to this point doesn't go down 8 units. It goes a lot more. So saying down 8 units is actually wrong because it only applies to the vertex. It doesn't apply to every single point at the same time. So the best answer is just reflect over the x-axis, because that means this point would go down to here, and it still applies to the vertex moving here, but it's because of a reflection. And so that's the only thing that would be correct. So that's why a lot of people, when they said down 8 units. Now, if you said down 8 units to the vertex, then you were correct, but you still need to say something about reflecting. If you didn't specifically say the vertex, then I assumed it meant all points. And that's why you didn't get full credit. Otherwise, this was a fairly easy problem.